Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a Nissan Murano 3.5 liter six-cylinder engine from the years 2015 to 2020. Here, as you can see, this is an example of an engine from that vehicle. The first thing we need to know to determine the location and firing order of the cylinders is to stand in front of the vehicle. Once we're standing in front of the vehicle, we open the hood, look toward the front of the engine, and see the cylinder banks, like this. Bank number 1, which is in front of the windshield, has cylinders 1, 3, and 5, and on the radiator side are the cylinders 2, 4, and 6. The firing order of the cylinders would be as follows, since we're standing in front of the engine. When you are facing forward toward the engine, the specific firing order starts from the left and moves to the right. First, cylinder number 1 fires, which is positioned on the passenger side of the vehicle, and then the next cylinder in the sequence follows right after. Number 2, followed by cylinder number 3, then 4, after that 5, and finally cylinder number 6 fires, which is on the driver's side. Well, folks, I don't have anything else to say. See you in the next tutorial video. See you soon.